Okay, let's see what we have today here. We have the Milwaukee torch, and basically, as you can see, it's not working. The battery is fully charged, so what I need to do, I need to get to the handle, to the LED light probably. We have the core, of course. Here I can see the LED module, the connection of the LED. Okay, I need something to press it. Ah, we have the pin. Okay, so what we can see here, we can see the LED light and the connection of the LED light. Maybe I will be able to make some measurements. Here I will just check if I will be able to hold the multimeter. I think, okay, I will do that somehow. What I want to see now, I want to see if I have the voltage going to the LED module. Not pretty sure if I have good connection, but it seems that I don't have the power to the LED module. Okay, and I can see why. I have no power to the LED module, or probably I see now. The red wire is just not holding on the terminal, so we need to resolder it. Let's bend it a little bit, so maybe it was damaged from the manufacturing. Yep. Got the wire, and now is the moment of the truth. Yep, the light is working, so now we need to assemble it. Okay, just double checking if everything looks good. Press it on the hook. We'll put a button here. Yep. Presses. Okay, this looks not bad. Now the same pin probably needs to be pressed in. Yeah, we have the housing together. Sorry, interrupted by a phone call. Okay, seems like assembled. Now I can put a battery. Yeah, the light is working. This looks really not bad, and I'm happy that it was an easy fix. And yeah, now I have the nice new lamp to hang out. And for you, just thank you for watching this easy repair, and bye.